What's up guys, here's Exclude from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and today's video gonna learn how to exclude some page or post or product from your WordPress search. Imagine the following scenario: you do have some secret page, some secret post that you would like to not appear into search on the WordPress site, okay? How to do this? This is what I can learn to this video, and all for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the WordPress left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over plugins. To access dashboard, remember on the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, and you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to find a field called Search Plugins. And into this empty field, you're going to click and type Search Exclude, just like this. And here is the guy that I'm looking for, okay? The Search Exclude. Here is the developer, okay? Thank you so much for the plugin. Click on Activate. Into the Activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus once again, hover mouse over settings, you're going to be able to find a new menu, a new submenu called Search Exclude. Right here, you're going to be able to see visibility to all the custom post types you have. Nothing much to change right here. Now, what to do to exclude some certain post or page from WordPress search? First, you need to locate the post. Imagine that I would like to hide the Hello World post of my blog, okay? The same can work on pages, products, or any custom post type, okay? Here is the post editor. Let me convert to block. So here is the WordPress post editor. Review the right side of your screen, okay? Scroll down. We have the option right here on post to apply a featured image, change status, log, author, discussion, format, and next to move to trash beyond categories, okay, we have search exclude. So in the case that I would like to exclude this post from search results, all I have to do is mark this option and hit the save change or the upload change button, okay, into the upper right corner of your screen. And now this post is now excluded from WordPress search. Simple, easy, and with no need to pay anything. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best. Also, don't forget to check out visualmodo.com, okay?